that really helps you. Okay. Okay. Any doubts?
Ramesh, after the class, I need one help from you.
Manju, you're asking something?
Yeah. So after the class, I need your help, Ramesh. Like,
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. We'll do that. Okay. So, Arvinda and Bhavana, are you getting some time or not yet?
Ramesh, like my timings are changed. I'll be working till 8 o'clock my time, so I'm not getting time to practice.
Okay. Maybe it's okay. If you're following, that's fine. But Git comments are important. Real time, you will use this Git comments. Okay.
Sure, Ramesh. I can only practice on weekends.
Yeah, maybe even weekend also one batch is going on. For that, if you want, you can attend that if you are not getting here time. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
That is also in the ending part. Okay, so that's also in the closer to this framework, and API testing. I'm going to start for him Saturday.
Okay, Ramesh.
Okay, so let's get start. Now, last class, right? That is product details page test, right? Let's go and create that product details page test. So we want my account page. I'll just copy paste and then I'll reuse that. Okay. So just reuse product details page test product details page test. So product details page test. Okay, so product details page test. And so public class product details page test extends test base. Okay, so private logger log equal to, so log manager, this is all similar. Okay, but if you want to go to product details page, okay, product details page, so what are all the different objects we need? So all those objects you create. First we need a home page, you need a login page and my account page, logout page, results page is mandatory, right, for us. And product details page we want. So let's go and create product details page. So where you can find that reference? That reference we have given in the test base class.
Test base class.
So you can go here and you can see product detail page and product details page equal to new product details page. Product details page. And so new product details page. So, and this is the one we need. Even we don't need to go to results page, right? Registration page we don't need here, right? Registration page, I don't think so. We'll just log in and it will go to my account page. From there you will do a search and it will go to results page. From results page you will go to click on the particular product, it will go to details page, right? This is the order, this is the flow. That flow we are going to follow. So that means we need a home page, we need a login page because you are going to log in, right? So you will log in, then it will go to my account page. So this flow is fine. So we are good. So I'll go to login page, then I'm performing the login. Then so you can, so my account page, I'm just waiting for the my account page. Now we need to write a test cases. So my account page, what we need to do. So different products you need to, again, you can perform the search. Okay, so that you can do a data driven testing, or so you can do a lot of different testing. So I'll show you that all of them one by one. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, so the flow is we have to understand the home page, then you are navigating to a login page, and you are navigating and then logging into that. Once you log in, it will go to my account page. So my account page, basically, my account page, it is basically what you need to do is we have to perform a search, right? We have a product search. So that product search we have to do so differently. How to do differently? So we can do with the products and with what keyword if you give, what are the different images you will get, and we have different products. Let's go and do the different product search, and we'll see that. Okay, and so here the product test data is, let me show you manually here. What are the different products we have is, so let me show you that. First, understand the functional flow, then it's going to be very easy for us to code it. This one. Now, so you just log in, okay? Okay, so here we'll see that there are different products that we have. MacBook, okay, just search with the MacBook. So we have a MacBook with the lowercase, just search it. So what is happening? You see this. See how many we got?
3.
So 3, right? 3 you got it now, right? When you search with the MacBook, you got 3 only. 3 or so anything more than that?
3 only, sir. 1, 2, 3.
3 only, right? So the 3, so you have to give that. That's one. So product test, the product images also, the images. If you click on MacBook, okay, you click on MacBook. So here you see 4 images. These 4 images, so we are giving that. So when you select a MacBook, and one of them, so you search it with the MacBook, okay, you search with the MacBook, and you choose one of them, MacBook Pro or MacBook Air or MacBook, okay. So you select any of them. Let's see what are how many images are there. So here we have, when you select the MacBook Pro, you're getting total 4, right? This 4. So this one and these 3, 4 you will get. And then again, go back and perform the search. You select the MacBook Air, right? Select the MacBook Air. Now let's see what will happen. So how many? Again, 4 you are getting. Again, you search with the iMac. So only 1 we are getting, but with iMac you are getting only 1. right? So, and click on this. So when you're getting three images. So that count, okay, I'm going to, so get what is the product name we are giving, the product name, then the keyword which you want to select, then the images, how many images are there, this product. So that is what we need to test it. And also we have a Samsung also, right? Just search with a Samsung. Okay, Samsung, with Samsung you can search it. So you can choose any one of them, okay? Samsung, no. So any one of them, this one, you select this one, okay? Just select this, any one product. But there is no images here, right? There is no images. So only without any images. And maybe you can put it as empty. So, or only one, this one, only one you can give this. Only one you can give. And you can search with one more product, Apple. You search with Apple. Then we have a Apple Cinema 30. And if you click on this, see how many images we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 images we have. So this is the one test. We need to count number of images for each product and which product you are. So we are selecting that, which product you are selecting. So that is the main thing we have to take care of that. And so that I'm going to give all this test data, whatever I have, MacBook. So one MacBook you are selecting, MacBook Pro you are selecting. The first, which is the search keyword. Okay, that's the first parameter. Second keyword, which product you are selecting. Then how many images are there? These are the 3 parameters we need to validate that. So how to validate that? So let's go and see that one by one. Okay. So 3 parameters. So you have to declare. So one is the search key, which product you are selecting, and image count. What is the total image count of that particular product? So this we need to test it. So let's go and do the same test. And so first I need to store the data in the data provider, right? So we landed already, you are performing the search. You are landed already, you are performing the search. If you just want a header test, that's okay. Header test is nothing, right? Just what we are doing. Header means this is the key, search key, and this is the header. So only if you want that header, that is a one test. If you want to verify, that's okay. But the images test you want to do, you can do that also. And also, for example, you want to take this entire thing into a PDF. And in the latest, we have that concept also. Maybe this entire thing you can store also in the PDF document. So that also we have option. Maybe I'll try to show that option also here. So we haven't done so previously, but in the Selenium 4, there are a lot of features we have. Okay, so a lot of features we have. You can do that. So we'll try that also if you want that. Okay, so let's go and do that. One is, so 2 data providers I'm going to do here. One is search keyword, then which product you are selecting in the results, then number of images count. That's a one test case we are writing. So let's go write that. First, declare your data provider. I'm going to declare this data provider. @ so data provider. So public is an object two-dimensional array, right? Object two-dimensional array. And so basically you can say product image test data. So the name you can give product image tested. Okay. So here you can create an object two-dimensional array or just yesterday I did, right? That format you want, or just creating a number of rows and columns wise you want? Return this format you want, or so creating a object and showing that this format you want, or normal format it's up to you, whichever is fine. Each set of curly bracket is one row. Each set of curly bracket is one row. Each set of curly bracket is one row. So how many rows we are going to store? So these products we are going to select all these products. Mac related only we have 3, and one Samsung, one Apple. So total 5, right? Total 5 we are going to select. That means 5 rows. This is 5 rows. I set it up, and this one. So now here you give your product name. First one is so MacBook. That's a search keyword. You are using a search keyword. The second one, which product you are selecting. So the product I already shown you here. Go back with our searches. Okay. Yeah, these are the searches. Okay. When you do MacBook search, you're getting these 3 products. I'm going to choose one, this one, and this one is the second. So I'll select this one. Just give an exact name, okay? So I'm giving exact name. And 4, okay? The second one is same MacBook. And you can give where, okay? So you can see how many products are there for this house, MacBook Air. So this also having 4. You can see all these things. Just click on that. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 4 we want. So that I'm going to validate that. So next one is so iMac. Okay. So iMac, and you can give 3. So this is the 3 products are there. We have seen already, right? If you want, just do one more time. See iMac, and this is the 1, 2, 3. So we have seen already this. Okay, so just the product name, this one. This is the product name. Yeah, we have given already. So next, same Samsung, right? Samsung also we have seen. So how many are there, Samson? If you are getting a doubt, go and do a search. Okay. So no need of, anything you have to. So just go and see how many are there. I didn't remember. One, I think, right? One or two. So you choose one product name. So I'm searching this product name. So click on this. Only one is there. One image only there. No other images. So this is the selected product and comma 1. Okay, comma 1. So then we have a apple. So another one. So apple, how many are there? Just see that. So we have one. This is the product name. So this one, and you have to give how many products are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can give 6. So these are the total images test data. We are going to check and validate that. So let's do that, and you can supply this method name to a test method. So the method name is product image test. We can put product image test. So I can give string search keyword. Okay, search keyword and the string product name. So and then int. So img count, image count. Okay, these are the 3 rows in your test method. That 3 rows you are showing here. So that 3 columns, sorry, this 3 parameters is column 1, column 2, column 3. So, but the rows are, it's up to you how many rows. This is the 1 row, this is another row, and this is another row, and this is another row, and this is the another row, right? So these are the different rows we have. Okay, so different rows we have that. So, and this data we need to supply here. So just give a test case name, product image test, verify product image test. So now, so you have to write a proper scenario. First, my account page, you are doing a search, perform. So perform product search in my account page. So result is equal to, so you can give the page, my account page object reference dot, you have to do a search basically, dot do product search. So you're giving this, so search keyword, the search keyword. Okay. So once you do a search, so add throws declaration. Once you do a search, and this search, okay. So after search, what we need to do? We have to select particular product, right? So it will go to results page. So write a comment, log.info Sorry, this one. Select product name in search results page. Search results page. So that will return in the results page, write a results page. See result page dot result page dot select product. Okay, select product, right? We have a select product method. So you have to give product name, so parameter product, but which is going to return type. This is the return type method. You can see which returns product details page object. So you write the return type as a product details page object. So product details page object equal to. So the return type, basically return type method I have written. That object, this method is returning this page object. So that object reference I have assigned. So please catch these points. These are very important points. Okay, very, very important. So the next step is, okay, you selected and it went to detail space. So in the detail space, if you want to do, you can do a assertion. You want to wait, you can wait for that. Otherwise, you can do a count validation. So how many images are there? So I'll write it just some. I can put some page validations if you want. Otherwise, leave it. Log.info. Log.info. And this one you can say, so product image, getting the product image count. Fetch the product image count. So per particular search product. Okay, so that you fetch the product image count for particular search product. So now there is a method already we have written, right? So actual product image count, how much we have written already. So that actual, so product image count equal to, so product detail space dot, okay, get product, so image count, right? Get product image count. Okay, actual product image count. So now you can do a assertion. Now you can do the assertion. So this is the actual product image count. Okay, this is the action. Set equals you have to use. Actual so the other one is, this is the one. You have given expected here. This count and this actual count, both are same or not, you are just checking that. This is the one simple test case. So we are doing. So any questions on this? Remove all this. Okay, maybe this will help us. This will help us. I'll keep this remaining. I'll delete it. Yeah. So next I want to get the metadata test. So you get the metadata. So from the web page, that metadata, you get it. Product metadata test. You can get the product metadata. And then you can to validate that product metadata is correct or wrong. Okay. So let's go and see this, how we can, I'm going to use a soft asset here because soft asset we used a very, so less, right? In the framework, we didn't use that. So I'll try to use that one. If you want to know, so do another validation because this search product and this header. So if you want to do by getting the, so no header name and the product name is same or not, you can take it up. I don't want to do that, but so just take it up extra if you want. Now I want to validate this product metadata and this cost. Okay, so that I'm going to validate. How to do that? So let's go and do that. How can we get the product metadata? So all this metadata and this cost, everything. So let's do product metadata. So product, so metadata test. So product metadata test. So we don't need anything, right? Just automatically. And this one is a second test case. Product metadata. Metadata test. Maybe priority we can give 2, and we don't want any data provider. So we don't want any data provider. Okay. So first do a product search. Okay. So again, same this concept only. Do a product search. Right. So do a product search. So I'll take it up as it is. But so you have to give the product, which product you are searching. Okay. I'm going to give a product name. So you just give MacBook. Okay. So whatever you want. So capital or small, you just see that. Okay. How that is there. MacBook, right? B capital or small. We need to see that. B capital. So I'll do that. MacBook. B capital. So next you can do. You can select one of the product. Okay. So you can select the product. So select a product. So which product you want to select, you decide. Okay. So select a product. So what product you want to select? Maybe in this, out of all this, maybe I'll select this one. So I select this one. And later, this product metadata, so this is the metadata. I want to add it to a map, right? So you can get this product, so information, and you can store in the map. So that value, I'm going to take it into one collection. So see that. So let's take this one. I just Okay. So this one we can just do this, select a product and get the product information. So I'll create a software sessions, but first to get them once you select the product, you go to product detail space. From this product detail space, get the metadata information. Get. So what is the function name we have? Product information, right? Get product information. So this method, this what is the return type? Map string string. So that is the return type. So you get that store in the map. So map angular bracket string string. So actual product info to map. Actual product info. Select, import this map class and interface. And from this is the way all your this brand, Apple, product code, this one, reward point, this one, availability in stock, this one, and this cost and X, so X tax, all these values will go and store in the map. So you need to asset that. Okay, let's go and asset it. Okay, so we'll asset one by one. Okay, so I'll asset that. How to asset? Let me create a soft asset. I'll show you that soft asset, how to use it perfectly. Soft asset. So soft asset, soft asset equal to new soft asset, new soft asset. So this soft asset dot, so you can do asset equals first brand value. Okay, so soft asset dot asset equals asset equals. So you can give actual product info, this map name dot. How can you get the map value? How can you get the map value? You forget the get method. Get of. So you give the key name. What is the key? Brand, right? First one is a brand. Are you there, guys? No.
Yes, Ramesh.
Can you hear me?
Yes, Ramesh.
Yeah.
Okay. So everybody is silent. So I got doubt. So this is a brand. What is the brand value? This one. So that should be there. Brand value should be there in your map also, in this map. So I'm giving this is my expected value. And here you will get the map or a different value. The Apple or a different value you're getting. I'm going to asset that. Same you do for other values also. Multiple assertions. So I'm not going to use this one anymore because this is so hard asset. This is the soft asset. Next, what is the second key? Product code, right? Product code. So what is the product code? We are looking product 18. So availability. So actual price. So this is the key name. What we have given while storing the actual price. So what is the price we have given? So what is the price we have given? This is the one, right? So just give this. Yeah. So last one, okay. So you do all the assertions, right? Make sure you do asset all. That's a mandatory. So what this will do is, even any one assertion fail also, it will continue. It won't stop on that line. But a hard assertion, what it will do? It will stop on that line only. But here, this method will take care of each and every assertion. Which assertion is failing, that assertion will be reported in the logs. That's a good thing about these soft assets. So you don't want to terminate your program, but you want to continue your execution. But at the end, it has to report the failure. Then you use soft asset instead of hard asset. So are we good? So let's go and run this program. Any questions? And,
No, sir.
so let's, I'll run an entire collection now, okay? Sorry, entire suit. I'll run an entire suit. So com dot here dot open cart dot test case dot this one, and enable these things one by one. We'll run all of them. Suit will entire suit will run, so that we'll come to know if anything goes wrong. Okay, run this now. Entire suit. Okay, I told you, I promised you to take the page content into PDF, right? Let me teach you that also. After running this, we'll see that. So if I forget, please ask me, okay? So that I will include. But this one we have to do in the browser itself. You can any page you want, you can call this code wherever you want. You can write one generic method also. So you can write it to PDF file. That PDF file can store in the particular project directory.
Repeat. Huh?
Okay, so and we have to implement the keys, right? This.
నేను బయటికి వెళ్ళున్నా బయటికి వెళ్ళను ఏందన్నా నాదే నా డ్రెస్ ఏది నా డ్రెస్సే
Okay, so I think we added, right, this code. Now it's again. To see which one it is failing. Oh. Here we handle, maybe we need to handle which page that is. That page we'll see in the logs, then we'll handle that. Well, searching my account page, I think it's a search.
ఏందంట ఏం చేయగలరు నువ్వు పడుకున్నట్టు ఎప్పుడు రాకుండా బాగుంది నేను 16 నేను బయట 14 టేబుల్ చదవలేదు
So it is creating multiple accounts. That's a data driven we did.
నేను బయటికి వెళ్ళాను వాకింగ్కి వెళ్ళాను
So you can do failed test case only can run, right? One test case failed. We'll see that which test case is that. Then we can do that.
Marty night వల్ల ఫుల్గా అనిపిస్తుంది.
Yeah. So let's see what are the 4 test cases failed. So which one that is my account page. My account page is failed. So what is the my account page? Perform product search. Then perform product search is failing because element click intercepted exception. So element click intercepted exception, why you will get? Because it is hidden. So the element is hidden there. So before this, somewhere we are doing logout or is exist method. Somewhere we are calling that. Because of that, yeah, maybe this one. Verify URLs. You're opening them. Page links. That is the reason it is product search. Product search. When you are searching a product that is hidden. So such cases what you can do to handle this element click intercepted exception, either you use a JavaScript click. So wherever you are clicking right here, do product search, you are going to click this click action, right? You can use a JavaScript click. So that will handle. Or you handle the this one. So you handle this before this test case 6. Some I think it is happening. No, the my account page menu, and you need to handle that. So that is actions act equal to new access. After all of them, I'm closing. I'm just escaping that. So I'll escape that. So act dot send keys. So act dot send keys. Keys dot escape dot perform. I'm suspecting this is the one. Okay. So let's go. You can run this only this test case. Which one? My account page test. You can find where you can find that. Refresh.
Yeah.
And you can see there is a test output folder. You have a suit name. What is our suit name we have given? Open card suit. Here you have a failed. Okay, test engine failed.xml. So this is the one. That one. Product image test also failed. Why this is failed? Test engine exception. Dependency injection. Product injection. What is this? Okay. Oh, we didn't give a data provider. Can you see this? The test engine exception. We didn't give data provider here. We need to give a data provider, right, to read this data. So we missed this way, but which one we have given data provider? Did we give? Oh, we didn't provide anywhere. So you have to give a data provider. So these are all, you have to read and, so properly and give this data.
Yeah.
Okay. So now run this my account page test, product details page test. Only that one. We corrected that, we'll run that. Okay. So testing this suit.
Serious ayyadumaa. Serious ayyadu.
So that's all test cases are done now. Maybe if it is late, we can close here and maybe printing to PDF. I'll see tomorrow if you want. Otherwise, we'll if you give it time, I'll do that also. See now the test case is passed.
Or data. Drama. Four drama.
See now, so there is no overlapping, right? Now it's going fine.
Fourth.
See all are passed now. Okay. So that's the, you have to find out the root cause and fix them and then run the failed test case. This is how to run failed test cases. So, any questions here? Product details, I'll implement that tomorrow. It will take some time. Yes. Already 7:37. Any questions?